Hmm?
Come on, let's go see. Let's go see. Come on. Let's go see. Look! He's peeing! Let's go look!
Go dogs, out.
Come on, let's go look. What's he got you? Look! What's Santa got you? Go see.
What is this? What is this? What? What is this?
What else did he bring you?
He even brought something for your big brother, look. Do you like the penguin?
Oh my God.
It's bigger than you. It's bigger than your brother. Wow! And look, is there a bicycle?
Go away.
Is there a bicycle? His elves were busy working, making this for you. Wow. Do you want to try out your bicycle?
Lila, look.
Come over here.
You got Princess Bicycle too.
Wow. Wow. Can you get up on it? We'll get the seat a little better. Yeah. Woo! Okay.
Yeah. What else did he bring you? Look, there's another Happy Feet there.
Come here.
And Dora and some
Right
dinosaurs.
here, look.